Hello and welcome to my very first video here. So I'm literally so excited making my YouTube channel, and I'm making this in English.
Whoa, 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 whoa! No, we're not doing that.
But yeah, so today I wanted to show you some Halloween costume ideas that you can make literally at home without buying anything. It's good for, you know, if you have low budget or just in a hurry to find something for Halloween costume. So this is everything I found from the tops that I wanna try on, you know. And here is my kitty. Yeah. He is Simba. Simbas, say hi. Simba. Yeah, you go there. Thank you. No. Stay there. Yeah. So, again, many of us likes to wear something sexy in Halloween parties. So here we have 3 of these ones, and again my cat. Basic black top, and I found Jesus. and I found green body, and yeah, this is my cat's. Yeah, so this is the tops you'll need for my ideas. I guess it's literally his favorite spot, you know. And here is Milo. Milo, he is our little fatty. Yeah, you like that. So this is the skirts I found, and this white tennis skirt has these black lines, and I have this fake leather skirt. Next we have dresses, and I found this black dress with the rhinestones, and this
Don't cry.
basic black dress with the holes in the sides, you know. And for the Halloween costumes, this is the must-have you need. We need some cat ears, bunny ears, anything you have, or if you don't, this doesn't cost too much, and you can find them everywhere, you know. And then we have gloves, and I have these fishnets rhinestone gloves, and then red ones with the, you know, this, and basic red ones, and then we have the lace gloves. These are beautiful. I love them. And yeah, then we have this. I can use this as as a belt or just, you know, on my neck. And yes, then we have fake ties. This is like, you know, with these. So for the last we need tights, and I have these black fishnet tights and white tights with the hearts. They are so cute. Then we have a rhinestone belt and the golden belt like this, and I have this corset. This is cute too. So let's begin with our costumes, and at first I'm gonna go with these ones, maybe some, you know, cat lady style. Literally, it's so easy to do makeup for this look. You just need eyeliner, and I have this white eyeliner from the NYX. I'll show you. We need eyeliner, and we just do a line in here, and then a little bit more, and like a triangle, you know. It's okay if it's not perfect, but yeah. And I wanna do this one. and then here a little line. Oh shit. And you just draw lines in here, and then I just draw dots here. And then we have this white eyeliner, and I wanna do, you know, a highlight to my nose like this, and that's it. And just like that, you are good. So now I have this rose on my neck. I have this rhinestone top and the same skirt and this rhinestone belt. Yeah. Also, I have this rhinestone gloves with my costume here, and yeah. This is like a club outfit. I think if I went to club, I'd wear this one, literally. You know, I look like a Playboy model right now, Jesus Christ. So the next outfit, if you have a green top or body and black corset and a black skirt, you basically have HIIII cosplay, and then you can go with the black eyeliner if you don't have a black lipstick. So that's our outfit. This white outfit is actually a cute one. You can just add blood in your face, in your, you know, décolleté or anything like that, and it will turn this cute outfit into like a scary one for Halloween. I can actually do a tutorial on a blood makeup if you want, but yeah. So this is all the outfits that I can make without buying anything, and you can do that too. And this is good if you really don't want to spend anything on a Halloween costume, and if you just can't, you know. I hope this video helps out some of you, and I'm so happy that you made to the end of this video, and thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. And you know, you can make my day by following me, and I will be really grateful for that. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about this. Is my English, you know, understandable? And yeah, I'm literally so excited to post this. Oh my god. You know, the funniest thing is that I'm from the town where people don't usually speak in English because I don't know, it's considered like awkward here because of the Finnish accent, and people like don't want you to talk in English if you can't pronounce it very well. So this is like literally out of my comfort zone, but you know, I think my English will be better when I speak it. And I think that you can learn a language if you never try to speak on it or use it in your life. So I want to improve my English skills, and this is me improving my English skills, stepping out of my comfort zone, and maybe someday I will be better. So I hope you like this video, and follow me, and let's see on another video.